What's features highlight? About DURATECH 72-inch adjustable workbench. We will introduce the features and brief details. What's features including? To make a decision before buy order. This 72x24-inch workbench is constructed of heavy-duty steel and 1 to 3/16-inch thick rubber wood with waterproof and scratch-resistant coating, which makes it highly durable and long-lasting. Load capacity up to 2,000 pounds, providing a secure surface for all your demands. Solid leg construction ensures stability and durability to handle the toughest projects. This 6-feet workbench includes 5 adjustable leveling feet that will enable you to adjust the workbench and keep it steady, heights from 30-15/16 to 38-13/16 inch. So you can easily adjust your workbench at the appropriate height position for your project. The DURATECH workbench comes with ETL certification power outlet and pegboard. The outlet 4 AC outlets and 2 USB-A ports will supply you with power whenever you need to plug in any of your work equipment. Pegboard panels are a great tool for organizing and storing your tools, so you can customize your layout to suit your needs. The 72-inch workbench is a great choice for your heavy-duty projects. It is suitable for any workshop, home, garage, warehouse, basement, or office. It also can be used as a computer desk, or a multi-purpose table in schools, libraries, kitchen, living room. This workshop bench arrives in a pretty strong packaging, and it's really easy to assemble. You just need to snap a few parts together, and you're completely done. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.